Welcome to all my viewers. Today I am making my favorite green seasoning, the secret ingredient in Jamaican cooking. And I always use fresh aromatics to make my green seasoning. Scallion, onion, bell peppers, parsley. The Scotch bonnet pepper is a must. Garlic and any other fresh aromatics. I love to put it in soups, and if I'm gonna parboil meat or anything as such, seasoning meat, rice and peas, any kind of stew, it's just that seasoning for me. It just makes a difference in my meals. So today I'm using my food processor, and I'm adding everything at once in the food processor. And if you want to make this green seasoning and you don't have a food processor, go ahead and use your blender. You can even use an immersion blender. Whatever you have, you always can use. I also added fresh thyme, because you know fresh thyme is the best. I'm adding some salt there and a little oil to bring it together. I get to realize that whenever I use oil and salt, my seasoning stays green for the whole time that it's in the fridge. So now I'm getting everything blended, and it's gonna be smooth and of a creamy texture. So you're gonna blend it well. And this may take a little time, but just keep going until you see all the little pieces have dissolved. You can always, have different textures, but sometimes I like it very creamy where you're not seeing the individual, seasonings. So right now it is almost there, so I'm giving it a little bit more time, and then I'm pouring it so you can see the texture. And there it is, guys, homemade green seasoning. You don't have to buy everything in the store. I mean, you're gonna have to buy your fresh aromatics, but you can make something of your own. You don't have to buy bottled stuff all the time, and you know what you put in your stuff. We don't know what is going in those bottled stuff. So go ahead, make your green seasoning. You're gonna love it. Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch this video up here for another tantalizing recipe. Bye.